Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Aid. In this guide video, I will show you how to log in Prosperity Bank account. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here, I've opened Google Chrome. Tap on the search bar that you can see on this interface. Now what you have to do is type in prosperitybankusa.com. Now search for it. Now you can see over here you'll be led to the official website of Prosperity Bank. In this interface you'll be able to find the option for login right over here. Simply tap on it. Now you can see over here you'll be able to log into your account. All you have to do is enter your user ID and password. So simply tap on the field of user ID. Now enter the user ID over here. Similarly enter your password. If you have forgotten your password, tap on the option forget password and you'll be able to recover it. Now after you enter your credentials, tap on the sign in option that you can see on the screen. After that you'll be logged into your account. So that is how you log in Prosperity Bank account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.